Hi, this is Travis with the Sierra Avalanche Center, and here's our state of the snowpack for Friday, March 8th. We had a major winter storm last weekend that spiked the avalanche danger with several feet of snow and significant winds. It also negatively impacted infrastructure in the region, so a lot of people couldn't get into the backcountry last weekend to actually experience what was happening. The storm was a nice bump for our snowpack. If you look at the snowtel stations in the region, you can see all the green ones here are near 100% of normal snowpack, and then all the blue ones are over 100%. So although the eastern side of the region has been in the rain shadow most of the season, it's now caught up to average, and now we're above average along the western side. Because that storm was a negative impact on infrastructure, we weren't able to get out and observe all the avalanches that likely occurred in the region, but you see several have been reported. And now that the dust is settling, folks are able to get into the backcountry, and we're finding evidence of a pretty major avalanche cycle. This cabin is an unfortunate example. It was knocked off of its foundation and destroyed. And you see that there's still fresh snow on top of the debris, so this must have happened sometime during the storm. With a warm and windy day in the forecast for today, we have a moderate danger rating with wet loose avalanche problems and wind slab avalanche problems. One interesting thing about the wind slab is that you'll notice it's on the opposite aspects that are typical for the region. That's because today's forecast is for northeast winds, and there is some loose snow on the surface on northeast aspects available for transport. The National Weather Service in Reno is calling for 3 waves of precipitation to impact the region over the next several days. The first one only has a trace to 2 inches of new snow, the second one just a little bit more than that, and then the next pulse is coming in on Tuesday. None of these really have enough new snow to create storm slab concerns, although there's a good chance with just a few inches and high winds that we will see wind slab concerns lasting through the next several days. Looking way ahead to next week, the Weather Service is forecasting above average temperatures and below average precipitation, so we're likely going to be transitioning to a spring diurnal snowpack where we're monitoring overnight refreeze conditions, expecting firm surfaces in the morning, and then wet loose avalanche concerns in the afternoons.